Hi guys! Here is how you can convert any web page to HTML. So this is our demo website. Let's change this to an HTML page. For that, we will use a free Chrome extension. Search for Safe Page We. So this is the extension. Open it. Add to Chrome. Add extension. So the extension has been added. Let me close this. Click here. I will pin this so I can see the extension. Now simply click here. And here is our demo page. Here it is. If I open it. Now here is the full page in HTML. You can see it is saved from this PC. You can customize it using Notepad++ or Notepad. Here is all the CSS and HTML, etc. Combines all the HTML, CSS, JS, etc. You can also put this on your site. For that, log into your dashboard. I am already in. To access files, we have this WP File Manager plugin. You can also use the cPanel or FTP. Let me go to the root folder. And let's upload the HTML file. I will simply drag and drop. So it is done. Now let's rename it. Say 123.html. Let me open the URL. So here you can see. However, please note this may not be a perfect conversion depending upon the site's complexity. Anyway, do give it a try. Thank you very much.